Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and I am almost back to being a healthy person again. So today I am going to keep this quite short and sweet, but I did want to share with you my finish for hashtag DPBigButts24, which is the event being hosted by Sharon at Pencil Surprises and Diamond Grandma. So this continues throughout the rest of January, but despite me having been out of action for a week, I only had quite a small canvas to work on, so I have managed to get it done. So without further ado, this is my entry to Big Butts 24. So here we have my nice butt canvas with the three little peeping cats who are based, I've decided, off of my own cats. So we have Kuro down here, he's our big chunky boy cat. We have Nico up here, and then we have Spooks up here, Spooky, who I have left out one of the eyes. You can still see it a little bit, but I've tried to just black out one of the eyes as much as possible because sadly she does only have one eye. She is our pirate cat. She has 3 legs, 1 eye, and tears in her ears. So, but yes, so back to the canvas. It's got a lovely sparkle on it. It was pretty quick to work up. I do wish that if you look in the background, there's a diamond pattern in the background. I wish that the colours were slightly more variated. No, I wish that there was more contrast between the 2 colours in the background, because it doesn't really show up very much as having that diamond pattern in the background, but that's from certain angles perhaps. The writing is beautifully clear. I'm really pleased with how that came out, and yeah, on the whole the cats came out very nicely. It is a 30 by 40, but that works out to be a 25 by 35 because of the nature of these budget canvases. And as I think I showed you before, I think so, I used the BeeBeeCraft cat washi tape around the edge from Bailey J. So yeah, really not too much to say about this. I worked on it in sections. It worked up pretty quickly, and I'm quite happy with it. It is going to go in our downstairs loo, so that anybody using it gets to be complimented. In terms of leftovers, there were 20 colours, and I didn't run out of anything. In fact, I've still got green left that never even went into the pot. So, and the same with, what was the other background colour? I can't remember now. Oh, it was E. Yeah, so the 2 background colours, plenty of that left, plenty of black left, and then things like, the yellow, which is literally just in the cat's eyes, and only, I don't know, there's probably less than 20 drills in the whole canvas. So much of that. They are DMC drills, and they're not bad quality. As you can see, there's quite a lot of sparkle on them, so I think I will keep them. I'll put them into my storage, and I kept all the canvas came with little baggies with the drills in originally, so I'll be able to keep these and use them because they're pretty good quality. So yeah, this really is going to be a short video, but I just wanted to make sure that this was out there. Huge thank you to Sharon at Pencil Surprises and to Diamond Grandma for running this event. I had great fun with it last year, and I've had just as much fun this year as well. So yeah, I am also really enjoying seeing what other canvases people come up with, because this is a theme that is really wide. I've just realised how that sounds, but yeah, it's definitely it's a yeah, you can twist this theme however you like. So yeah, so this is my January diamond painting all finished. I am now going to work on a canvas that I have been working on for a year, and I really want to get it finished before February. So hopefully I will have another post review before the end of the month. But having as I say, as I lost a week, so I'm a little bit behind now. But I will do my best to get another post review for you before the end of the month. And then it's on to February and the event that I'm running. So I will pop a link up in the eye to the event video for that, so that you can find out all about #familiarsinfeb and whether you want to take part in that. But that is all from me for today. I'm going to go and get a drink and a lozenge for my throat and continue my healing process. So I will have another video for you on Sunday, because I have a witch casket to open as well. So I'm very much looking forward to that. But that is all from me for today. Do all those YouTubey things, you know what to do by now. And if you've got a few extra pennies, feel free to pop over to Patreon and support me there as well. Until next time, stay crafty.